One thing most leaders are looking for from their team are individuals who have strategic agility. Now, strategic agility just means that you're able to see what's happening around you and make the necessary changes in order to still meet your objective. So, if you originally set out for a plan to do A, B, and C, what strategic agility says is, well, because the environment around us is changing, we can no longer do A, B, and C. We need to make some adjustments and do X, Y, Z. Good leaders recognize that they don't have to make every decision for their team. In fact, they want team members who are empowered, who have the ability to think critically to make the necessary adjustments along the way so they can still accomplish their objective. That's strategic agility. And if you're on a team that's being led by a good leader, that leader will want to see, are you able to initiate and make the necessary changes in order to move your department forward? Now, this doesn't mean that we don't have to communicate and we don't have to get buy-in, but good leaders won't make you feel like every single decision has to be run by them. No, good leaders will empower you and are looking to you to make the necessary decisions in order to move the department forward. Good leaders want you to have strategic agility. So if you're wondering how you can raise performance on your team, how you can get the attention of maybe your leader, develop the ability to think strategically and to then respond with an agile approach to the changes that are happening in the environment around you.